Hey guys, so this is my new video. We are going to do an eyebrow tutorial today. I'm just gonna make this quick video and I'll probably update it every couple of months or every year or something like that, because normally when I do my makeup, and I've done a few makeup videos before, but it's just less time consuming if my brows are already done before we even get on camera. So I wanted to make this quick video so you can see my process. So here we go. So first things first, I've already combed out my brows with the spoolie. I'm using this eyebrow pencil from this brand called Kosas. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's spelled K-O-A-S-A-S. Got it from Sephora, and on one end there's the pencil and the other end there's the spoolie. And the whole packaging is purple. I think they're vegan, cruelty free. I'm not too accurate on that because I'm not at my vanity right now, but I do like the formula of the pencil. They do have makeup, powder, all kind of other products that you can use, but today we're going to focus on the eyebrow pencils. So the shade I got was it was either medium brown or chocolate brown. I don't like to go too dark with my brows. I know if you've watched my vlog video, my brows are very dark for my liking, but they still came out cute. This product is from NYX. I am just feathering my brows, and that is basically a technique where you basically fill in the sparse areas. You do light hair-like strokes within your brows, and you make it more natural like this way. This is a brow pen from NYX. I don't know the exact name of it, but I will have everything in the description bar below. Might even put some links in there, not too sure. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, the lighting is going to change throughout this video because I did get a new light from Best Buy. So I'm just testing out the lighting and stuff. So this is really another tester video, and I eventually will get a mic. I will get more lights, and by the end of the year I will have a great camera. Right now I'm using my phone, which is not that bad, but I do want to improve the quality of the videos. But other than that, we're gonna keep going in, making sure I got everything to my liking. I'm just basically making my brow. I don't have sparse brows, but they do get a little sparse towards the end. So I do like my brows a little thick. And here my camera is giving me issues and my phone died. So I've already laid down my concealer with my small brush. This concealer is by Neutrogena. It's the Healthy Skin Concealer in the shade Mocha. It's coming off very, very light on camera, and I think it's because of the lighting. Like, it looks a perfect shade, but it is very orange in person. I do want to try different shades, and I do want to adjust my lighting, but for now I just wanted to get this brow routine out. And you just basically shape your brows the way you want them to look, like you carve them basically. You just have to have a steady hand, you have to take your time, and you do everything to your liking. And that's what I really love about makeup. You are the artist, and you can be as sensitive as you want about your shit, okay? You can do what you want to do. There's no set, okay, you got to do it this way or it's wrong type deal. You do what makes you happy, you do what you think looks good, and forget about the rest. But this is just my technique for my brows. So like I said, I will be updating this every several months to a year. But pretty much, I'm very simple, easy peasy when it comes to the makeup thing. Like, what you see is what you get, you know? Excuse this little white patch in my hair. That's edge control from me laying down my hair for my wigs and stuff like that. So you're gonna see me fondling with the camera, my lighting, my little stand. It's giving me issues because it wants to do all types of stuff, move around on its own. And that bronzer I'm holding, I'm using the mirror for that bronzer, and let me tell you something, that bronzer by Physicians Formula is awesome. Anywho, these are the final looks. Bye.